So this video is going to review the Cornell Notes strategy that we've done in class. If you forget it and if you need it, this strategy is pretty good for reading. We're going to use it a lot for looking at the textbook, and this is just going to be a refresher for what you have to do in each of the 4 sections of our page. So remember that if you have a blank sheet of notebook paper in front of you, you want to split it with kind of like a T-chart, and you want to have the side on the left be a lot smaller than the side on the right. So this first upper box right here, this is going to be where you're going to put the title, the author, and the date of whatever you're reading so that you can remember it. So if you're doing the textbook, it would probably just be the section of the textbook and whatever the subsection is of what you're doing. This top box on the right here, this one is where you put the objectives. So remember that I told you that you should always have an objective for what you're reading. So if it is to describe something, so like describe the changes that occurred during World War II, you would be looking for things in your notes that would describe the changes during World War II. This is going to guide your reading a lot easier. In this other left-hand section, this is where we put things like terms, vocabulary, just words that you don't know, and you put them down this way. And on this side, this is where you take your main notes. This is where you're trying to actually address the objectives that are up here. These notes can also be used to remember the terms, the vocab, the words that you don't know. Remember, you're not simply copying. You're not copying the book. You are taking notes so you never have to go back to the book and look at it again. You're just able to look at these notes, you're able to figure out how they're addressing your objectives up here, and then you're able to study from them. So I hope this video helped, and if you need anything else, just let me know.